Welcome to Cooking with Dragons. My name is Mark. I'm finally making a video. Today I'm going to be trying to make Tikka Marsala pizza. I saw this trend where people are dipping chicken masala into Alfredo pizza, so I thought why not try to put them together and see what happens. And I'm going to be making the crust out of potatoes. I've done that exactly 3 times. I'm deciding now to see how it goes here. Yeah, 4th time is the charm. Alright, I did the prep work already, so I got the potatoes boiling, I got the chicken chopped and seasoned. That way once the potatoes are done, wham bam done. Got the oven preheated to 450 Fahrenheit. Adjust that for Celsius, I'll put that somewhere. We put the crust into this cast iron skillet. And then, once the potatoes are done, I'm going to put the chicken masala in there. So, have that making in there, and then the crust will be in there, and then it'll be baking while the chicken masala is going, and there's a lot going on. It's been a while since I made a video. It's also my birthday, so yeah. I'm 35 today. Alright, I'm just waiting for the potatoes to get nice and pork tender. They've been in here about 5 or 10 minutes so far now. Well, maybe less than 10 minutes. Not quite there yet, but it's getting there. I'm going to mash them up when they're done. That's the plan anyway. Got some cornstarch here. That's the main thing that's going to bring the potatoes together. So pretty much I'm making mashed potatoes, and then I'm throwing some cornstarch into it, and then I'm turning that into kind of, and that cornstarch is going to help make it into kind of a dough. And some breadcrumbs for binding to help it bind a little bit together. Because like I said, I've made this about 3 times, and it holds okay, but it can kind of fall apart. So I'm going to see if breadcrumbs help hold it together a little better. I could also use an egg too, but either way. Alright. Yeah, like I said, this is going to be kind of like a pizza dough, so I'm going to make it into a dough. I'm going to put it into that cast iron skillet, so it's kind of like a deep dish sort of thing, because that seems like it would hold better a little bit. I'm going to put it, I got the oven for 150 like I said, but I'm going to bake the crust for about 15 to 20 minutes or so while that's going, I'm going to have the chicken marsala going, and then once that's all good, I can just probably start layering it. Got the Alfredo sauce too. Couldn't beat Alfredo without potato pizza. I said I would make a video, and I want to keep my word. Just the bird is the word. That should do it. Alrighty. Like I said, I don't really add any butter or anything to it. You probably could, but alright. Some mashing. This took about 7 potatoes. Like I said, I just wanted to make sure it fit in the pan. Yeah, the size of the pan determines how many potatoes you want to use. Preferably good size. If they're good size, you probably should not need that many, but Alright. So, this takes a good bit of cornstarch, so you just kind of eyeball it. At least I do anyway. I'd say about 4 tablespoons worth, maybe 2. Like I said, but that should do. So you want to kind of work with it while it's fairly hot. So I'm double gloved, so that should help. This is fairly hot otherwise. So just kind of see, just like that. This hand of mine is burning red. It's flat. Ready? Yes, I'm going to shape it to the pan. Right, that should be good. And this is what we have. I forgot the breadcrumbs. Fuck it. Alright, in the oven for 15, 20 minutes, whatever. Alrighty, so now we have the chicken, the chimkin. I'll not say that again, but we have some oil olive. Alright. Get that hot and going. And we're just going to sear the chicken a little bit. I have no idea how long this video will be, but you know. Alright. Got that marinated chicken. I like cooking on cast iron. That's just something new. Chop it up a little bit, just mince it. There we go, that should do. Yeah, that's much better. Let it steam for a couple minutes. It comes out pie-like anyway, so if it doesn't hold there here anyways, it's just Tikka Marsala pie, I guess. I just like coming up with different stuff and seeing how they turn out. Either way, it turns out delicious. Whether it holds like a pizza or a pie, still eats the same. Still goes in the same face hole. You can also add any kind of vegetables you would like. Right. Passes to India, has a bunch of good stuff in there, so please don't splash all over me. Right, in that too. That's good. Give it a good mix. this point, you would add some kind of vegetables if you want to, like tomatoes, onions, all that stuff. Just cover and let it simmer. Alright. That is what we got. Alright, let it cool down for a second. That still needs another 10 minutes or so, then it'll be good to go. Alright, now we got a pizza. Alright, going in for another 20 minutes. And another 10. That should give it enough time for that sauce to thicken up and, you know. And I'm back. Right, we're going to heat up this Alfredo sauce. Heating up like that. What's the worst that could happen? Or actually, you know what would be really cool? I know Darwin Award moments here. Yeah, anyway. I might have set a chopstick on the burner at one point though, I forgot about it. Why I put a chopstick there to begin with, you know, ADHD, it happens. Actually, worked pretty good. Here's what we got. Now, I add some Italian style cheese. Just to thicken that up a little bit. coat the masala with the Alfredo. And a little bit more cheese. Alright. In the oven one more time. Alright. Alright. Think we're good there. Now if I can do this without burning myself, that'd be great. Here's what we got. Got a nice crust on there. I'm just gonna let that sit for a couple minutes and then cut into it. If you wanted to garnish it with something, you could probably garnish with a little bit of black pepper, maybe some oregano, just something to look pretty, maybe some green onions, because everybody likes doing that with green onions for some reason. Yeah, I think that crust is good enough color, I think. Alright, I think I'm going to cut there and then I'll be at my table. And I'll give you a taste test. So, there's the pizza. Chicken Marsala pizza. Went ahead and quartered it so that way it'd be ready. Now, hopefully I can get it out in one piece. Doubtful, but you know. It's definitely more of a casserole now. Fuck it. Chicken Marsala casserole pizza. Take that. Hold it. He was holding okay, but I don't know. There we have chicken masala pizza. Came out nice and crusty, really. It was I don't know. Maybe need a knife and fork with it, don't I? Tastes pretty good. Taste this chicken tastes really good. Nice and cheesy. Pretty good. Like I said, the trick is to get it to hold together like a pizza, but you know. Yeah, the first time I made it was a deep dish. Second time, well, taking it down deep, but yeah. Yes, first time I made this, it was a deep dish. Second time, it was also a deep dish. Just I could put more in it, and then the third time was a detort style. And then this is not a bad way to try it. So. All right, Tikka Marsala pizza. Check it out. Thank you for watching. My name is Rourke for Cooking with Dragons. We are exploring the world of food. See you next time, and keep on feeding the fire.